Hey guys, Janet here, Strange RV Tours, here in DeFuniak, Florida at Haven Rv Park. Nice out of the way little place. Just staying a few nights and I'll show you around. Nice little park, you know, it is what it is. I guess about 20 spots. That's the camp host there. And here's a little clubhouse. He came in and he guided us all the way to our spot. There's a dump station here. And they're not really lined up. They're just kind of stuck here or there, all the spaces. We got the lake drained right now for winter. Lots of wildlife. And we got the shower house with bathrooms and showers, which I've been utilizing since we don't have sewer hookup. Ladies and gents, make sure nobody's in here. Hello? Oh, okay. Alright. Anyway, it's clean. You know, couple washers, couple dryers. $1.50 to wash and dry. And couple showers. And you'll notice this is the rules. Big water heater. Yeah, it was nice and hot. Yeah, but we really enjoyed just relaxing for a change. Not much to do in this town. They have a little circle drive that tells you the history of all the buildings in the area and how the DeFuniak got started, which is a couple guys started the town right as the railroad was brought through town. And there's a nice lake, and they developed this town all the way around the lake. Not this lake, another lake. But not far from here, like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes away. But yeah, right now there's not much fishing going on. Normally, he said, the water's up over all these stumps, cypress stumps. But the birds are here every day, all day. And I could hear frogs. I'm sure there's got to be some alligators. We're from Florida. You know, everybody warns about alligators in Florida. But there's homes down there with docks. Yeah, and across the way. But they say they drained it this year. They normally it's full of bass and crappie. But, wow. And they have firewood for sale. There's little squirrels everywhere. They keep lots of trash cans around. And they really do keep up the park. You know, it's been out here by itself. And see, Max was scared to walk up on that deck. It's pretty solid, you know, but he just didn't like how high up it was, I guess. Anyway, we got People coming and going. A couple people left this morning. Yeah. But, anyway, this is where we're at. This is right here. Greg's in there watching TV. You hear the TV. Yeah. But, yeah. It's a little off on the level, you know, but not bad. It's easy to do. We got cable, Wi-Fi. Yeah, see, like they do have the trash cans. Lots of trash cans around for people. A few fire pits. Some of them have little fire pits. But, these folks right next to us left this morning. This guy over here left this morning. We're leaving tomorrow morning. And heading on down towards the beaches. But anyway, there's my kitty cat. There's Brownie. Say hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. She's sitting there. They sit up there, look for little squirrels. I saw a little kitty cat the other day running around. Anyway, all right. DeFuniak, Florida. All right, guys. Janet with another review. I hope you liked it. Do that. And subscribe if you like all the stuff we do. And hit the little bell for notifications. And share if you could, please. That helps us a lot. And talk at y'all later. Right? Bye.